Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to open account in Forex trading. In order to do so, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar you simply need to type forex.com. This will land you on the official website of Forex where you just have to navigate to the top and you simply need to hover over to accounts. Now over here you are going to see its account types, but you will have to click on our accounts in order to view all of their accounts that they offer. Now once you do this, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see that they offer currently 5 accounts that you can open. So over here you just have to scroll down and here you are going to see the features and benefits associated with the particular account. For example, in the standard account you are going to see these perks and benefits. If you select the row spread account, then you are going to see these benefits. So over here you just have to choose which account you want to open. So for this video I'm going to select it as standard account, so you will have to click on open a standard account button in the bottom. Once done, you will be redirected on the next page where you need to fill out this form where you need to provide your personal details. First, you will have to select your country or your region of residence. After that, you need to provide your email address. Then you just have to create a username for your Forex account. After that, you need to create a password for your account. Then you need to select your title. Afterwards, you need to provide your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and your primary phone number. After filling these details, you will have to press save and continue in the bottom. On the next page, you will have to provide some of the details relating to you. Then it will ask you about your trading experience. So if you have previous trading experience, then you need to fill out those details in the third step. Afterwards, you will be landed on the final finish page where you will have to review all the details that you have mentioned in the previous 3 steps, and afterwards you just have to submit your application. Once you have submitted successfully, you just have to wait for some time until you see the confirmation from Forex customer support team via your email address, and once everything is done, you will be able to easily open your account on Forex trading and you can start trading on this platform. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.